Hey guys, Chris from Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing rear speakers on a 2015 Toyota Tacoma. In this install, we're going to show you how to remove this factory door panel, remove the factory 6.5-inch speaker in the back door here, and we'll head over to the bench, get the new speaker wired up, mounted in a bracket, and get it all reinstalled. Now the first thing that we need to do here is go ahead and remove a couple of screws. There's to be a little panel here that has a little door. You just get a flathead in there to open it up, and you're going to expose a Phillips. Go ahead and remove that there. And then down here in the handle, we're going to have a Phillips as well. Once that's out, then you actually can pull the handle out. Now for this portion up above, we do need to push this little tab in. That, and then you can get actually back up behind this little clip here, pop that on out. Now this piece is just held on with clips. You can actually just use your fingers here and pop this off. Now the clips usually stay in, so we need to get those back on out so we don't lose them, and we can put them back in the panel. Okay, at this point with the screws removed, I usually grab here on the bottom left hand corner. There's a little place where you can and do that. Now they're going to have one harness on your window switch. I usually like to rotate it like this so I have a little bit better view. And you just press the harness here, disconnect that. You just press down the tab and it should pop on out. So the door panel out of the way, go ahead and remove your screws out of your speaker. Disconnect your harness out of the speaker. There's your speaker. Let's head over to the bench and get the new one all assembled. Okay, so some of the parts that we're going to be needing here for this install, we've chosen with these Coaxial NVX speakers. These are the VSP65 V-Series speakers. These come in a pair. We have one out here just for show. To help us install these properly in the doors, we're going to also use this bracket here. This is the Metra 82-8148 speaker ring adapter. Lets you bolt up to the factory location, and this accommodates both the 6.5 and a 5.25. Since we're only using a 6.5, we can actually break the tabs out here in the center here when we get this mounted up. And then for our speaker wireless harness adapter, we're using the Metra 72-8104. These plug right up to the factory plug, and these ends go to the terminals on the back of the speaker. So we're going to go ahead and get these all assembled and then get back to the truck and get them installed. Okay, so we got our speaker all assembled. We got it mounted in the bracket itself. We got our speaker harness adapter all plugged in. This will plug in. This will bolt right up to the factory location. Let's go ahead and do so. Alright, that's about it. If you have any questions about what we did here, go ahead and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.